Chat, chat. Chef Soulja. Today we cooking crawfish étouffée, fried catfish over white rice. Tune in. Show love. Appreciate y'all.
You know it. Yeah. Definitely running with the soldiers on this one. No hook. We are the church with the truth. Sit down and run with the.
We back with another banger, chat. Today, chat, we gonna be cooking crawfish étouffée and some fried fish, chat. Crawfish étouffée and some fried fish, chat. This chat, we got a catfish right here. We got our crawfish, chat. Got our crawfish. Some red bell pepper. Seafood stock. Onion. Garlic. Some celery, chat. Let's get it cooking up, chat. One more shade, man. Let's try it first, chat, with the crawfish. Oh my God. Boy. Chat, it's good, chat. Oh my God. Let's try the crawfish with rice. With rice, chat. Let's try with rice. DJ show me love, he say my name when the music stops. Young money, Lil Wayne, then the music drop. I make it snow. Chat, oh my God. It's good, chat. Let's try the fish, chat. Let's try the fish without rice. Let's try the fish without the étouffée. Ooh, and it's juicy. Fish juicy. Try the fish without the étouffée first. Batter good. Season right. Oh yeah. Let's try it with étouffée sauce with the rice. Oh my God. This shit is good.